State, city, and county road crews are preparing for some wicked winter weather. It's our top story at 6. Thanks for joining us. I'm Siobhan Klepfer.
And I'm Sherry Jones. With snow in the forecast, road crews are patrolling for slick spots along stretches of highways and surface streets.
And with road crews going to be out, Josh Sanchez has more on how you can track conditions on your commute home or to work. He is here for you now live outside of our WLNS studios. Josh, what do we know?
Sherry and Siobhan, while the road behind me looks pretty clear for early January, this could all change by this time tomorrow. I spoke with a few road crews that because of those changing conditions, they're already on patrol. Now, if you're in the city of Lansing, the Department of Public Services has their own snowplow map. There you can see the progress of your neighborhood as well as track the truck with updates every 15 minutes. Now, if you're hitting the freeway tomorrow or Saturday, MDOT crews will be in full force both on the road and at their Operations Center, tracking the state's more than 1,000 miles of highway. The department's My Drive website shows current traffic flow, any constructions or crashes, as well as plow trucks along with dash cam pictures. Now, another MDOT service that's going to be on the road around the Lansing area is their safety patrol. Now, their job is to keep an eye for any drivers that are on the side of the road and help them out during those tough spots there. Now, an operations manager says that those patrols have helped more than 1,200 people since that service got expanded into the Lansing area over the summer. Here for you in Lansing, Josh Sanchez, 6 News.